Hey guys, it's your girl Yele Stitches, Yele of Yele Stitches. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful edge wrap. Like it's giving. You understand? You know when the head wrap is giving. This head wrap is giving. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful head wrap, such that even if you're an amateur at time, like even if you're a novice, if you've never handled an head wrap before, even if you have not seen a head wrap before, you'll be able to tie this. Number one. Number two, you'll be able to make the simple head tie. So I'm going to show you the process of how to make the simple head tie. And at the ending of the video, I'm going to show you how to tie it on your head. So stay tuned to the ending. Don't be like all those people that will be jackpine in the middle of my video. Stay to the end. Alright, so let's do it, Sha. The first thing you're going to do is to fold your fabric into two, like this. So you see my nice African print fabric now with all the flower and the pinkness, a royal pinkness. Those of you that want to know where I get the plug from, don't worry, just check the description below. I will let you in on it. Alright, so after folding it into two, I just went down and measured 11 inches on that side, and also the width is also 11 inches. So it was like a square 11 inches but unfold. Okay, you can make it longer than 11 if you want it to be wider. You can make it less than 11 if you want it to be like an headband type of head wrap. So it depends on you and your preference, but you will see what it looks like at the end of the video, and I'm sure you already saw it in the thumbnail. So I'm going to get my satin lining now and cut exactly the same thing on my satin lining, the same square on my satin lining like you're seeing me do. This tutorial is very easy and very simple and very straight to the point. So after that, we need to cut out our straps, the straps for the head wrap. Okay, so these straps don't necessarily need satin because it was not going to be touching your hair, so you don't really need to line the strap with satin. So I'm using all Ankara for that. So the length of the strap that I'm using is about 5 to 6 inches, depends on you, and the width was 22 inches. You can use between 20 to 22 inches width for your head wrap ties. Okay, so I just folded it into four again like this so that it will be easy for me to cut, and I measured 6 inches on one side, and I know the other side was already 6 inches, so I just cut it out. So I have 6 inches of fabric by 22 inches, and I cut into two so that we have 6 by 22 on one side and 6 by 22 for the other side of my strap. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to create a slant because people always create that slant. So at that edge, I just measured like 1 inch and slanted it all the way down, so that height is just 1 inch, and I slanted it down. I don't know why we slant it, but you know, for the police slanters or the slanter police, we have done it. Okay, so the next thing now is for me to show you what to sew together. So we're going to take our satin and the fabric right side to right side. Don't go and make this mistake of putting right side to wrong side though. The shiny part to the right side, and just sew the upper part and the lower part. Now for our straps, you are going to also sew along the lines like that and leave one side open because you want to be able to turn it inside out. Now I have sewn it on my sewing machine because I don't want to make this video too long. I'm showing you how to sew it. I'm sure you know how to sew it. So after doing that, I turn out all my turnables, all the things that I have to turn. I turn the body of the head wrap, and I turn the ties of the head wrap, the slanted ties of the head wrap, and you see me turning it on its own with my scissors, and I use my scissors to choke out, you know, the pointed part so that our slanty points will show very well. Okay, so after doing that, I just cut out the savage of the fabric. I don't know why they call that part savage. I'm a savage. Quasi godly lovely. Okay, so that edge I'm going to just pleat it like the way you see me do. I'm going to show you that again. So at the edge, you pleat it like you are pleating. You know, if you are not good with pleating, just squeeze it together. Everything all join, it all works together. So just pleat it like that, squeeze it like that. You can sew it on your sewing machine so it doesn't unravel, and then you chook it inside your straps the way you are seeing me do. Okay, I even zoomed in so that you can see it better. Now I don't want the seam to be in the middle of my strap, so I just adjusted the seam to the edge of the body of the pleat or whatever. You actually are seeing the way I'm doing it. That's exactly what you need to do. So I'm going to bring it closer so you can see that, and then you're going to just stitch on top of that. Just stitch on top of your straps after choking all those things in and choking the chookables in. You can pin it down before stitching so that it will be good. Now we have done that for one side, I've done that for the other side. You see, it was a very easy tutorial. The next step is to show you how to tie it on your head. I'm going to show you two different styles to tie it on your hair so it looks lovely and beautiful. It looks like a whole wrap. No, that it's just a small thing, easy to make. head wrap. Now first step is this. I just take the wrap like this and I make a knot in front like this. I just fold it in at the back to make it look nice, and I just tie it at the back twice, and that is it. In fact, we will know that this is not a full head wrap on your head. Now we'll move to step 2. The step 2 is just to tie it with a knot in front. After that, you rolling roller. Then you roll again and again, and that is it. Very easy and sweet and simple. Thank you so very much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. Bye.